In this video, you're going to learn how to remove parental control on Google accounts without password. If this video is helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. The first thing to do here is you're going to open your apps and look for Play Store and open it. And here you're going to click on your profile account on top there. Down here you're going to see settings. Click on that. Then down here you're going to see family. Right now, as you can see, parental control is on. And when you try to turn this off, it requires you to enter the PIN. So let's say the PIN is says incorrect PIN, right? So how do we remove this? So what you can do to remove this, you can simply close the app and come back here on the apps and look for settings and just click there on the settings. It's bringing you here in the settings. You should be looking for apps. Right now this is Samsung, so I have apps and notifications. So yeah, you click on that, look for apps option. It's going to take you to the apps that you have in your phone. And here, if you're not able to see Google Play Store on top, just click on search and search for it that way. But because I can see it here on top, I will just click on it like that. I'll click on storage. Here, just click on clear storage or clear cache so that everything resets. When you do that, now you can close the app and open the Play Store. And now what you can do here is you can click on your profile icon again and click on the settings and on family. As you can see here, right now parental control is off, and just like that we can turn the parental control right now, which is off, and this is what you want. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have any questions concerning parental control, please drop them in the comments. I'll respond to you. Otherwise, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.